To raise a support case on the portal, there is a Create a Case button accessible on the home page. Clicking on this will navigate to the Open a New Case page. You can also open a case from the My Support page. Simply click on the Open a New Case button here. Firstly, give your case title a useful description. This will help with identifying the case in the future. The portal will also use keywords here to suggest useful information, such as related knowledge base articles or similar previous cases. Some of the required information will already be populated. Please choose a priority for the case based on its urgency. You can also set what type of case you are creating. You can choose from an issue, change request, root cause analysis, or an information query. Please provide as much information as possible in the description. You can also upload files or images that you think will help us with the investigation. Simply click on Attach File, then select the file you want to upload in the pop-up window. Once you've added the case information, please click Submit to create the new case. Your new case will now be visible on the My Support page, and you should receive an email notification. You'll receive further emails once a member of the team has reviewed the case and when a member of the team begins working on resolving it.